Unexpected disasters can happen at any time. Even after you figure out what the specific problem is, more stress can come your way. You have to deal with the insurance company. What about the emotional as well as property loss? Not to mention, what is the overall financial assessment? We have worked hard to establish ourselves at the forefront of the restoration industry. Water damage, fire damage, mold restoration, and crime scene cleanup are not just a list of services, they are our passion. By refining our focus to just damage cleanup and restoration, we are able to provide the absolute best, top quality work for every client, whether you have a small home or a large-scale operation. Each of our service technicians has been properly trained and certified by the Institute for Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Certification, IICRC, because we believe in committing the time, energy, and resources necessary to make sure we have the most well-equipped and the most prepared restoration staff in the industry. We are here to help. Give us a call now at 863-777-4768. We look forward to helping you soon.